Hey traders, a quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? Price has pushed up nicely, as we also had an inventory report released at 3:30, and I've already mentioned that in my yesterday's video. So let me show you what I've said in my last video so that we can understand conditions and entries. Price is about to hit the double bottom rejection zone. It did not hit yet, but we are still in a buying area. So what I'm looking for, if we have a good next candle that closed as a bullish engulfer, in that case I'm expecting some bounce from here, and I keep my stop loss below this rejection area. If we have a push down to this rejection zone, in that case we will have a valid double bottom pattern, and then look for pin bars or 382 candles or a green candles only once the price hit the zone right here in yellow. Now we also have a net gas storage report right here tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. UK time. So at that time we can expect some good moves out of net gas, as I've seen the net gas reacts from these news events nicely most of the time. So I'll be looking at that as well. But if my technical factors goes with the fundamentals, then that is good. It fuels up my positions if I'm in the trade. Nice one. So as you can see, the price has hit my area of value, and with that, as you can see right here, right at the release of inventories, a data that is less than expected, so decline in inventory, which is higher demand on net gas. So technically we are still bullish and fundamentals are also with us. Now I have been saying that price is failing to break and close below this consolidation box from quite a while, and for the bearish conditions, for the bearish trend, we need to see a complete break and close below this area. Now let's go back on a smaller time frame. Now if you remember this big candle, we had a big push up right here, and if you remember the way we entered this trade with a nice pullback of 50% of this candle for aggressive traders, and then the price has pushed up, because when we already get a momentum candle, I do not enter my trade right at the close of this candle. I always enter my trade at the 50% with my Fibonacci retracement. Now I will also want to show you here on daily time frame, we are getting a good engulfing pattern right here. If this closes the bullish engulfer, we have a good signal that price can push higher, and as you can see, every time the price hit this zone, hit this area, it always push higher. And we've been taking some nice trades from this area, some little scalp buy, and then buy here, we had a buy here, we had a sell here, we had a buy here, then we had conditions here, then we had a sell condition here. So that is how we've been taking some trades from last couple of weeks in between this area. Now exactly the same as this condition, we can still go use Fibonacci tool from the low of this candle till the high. Let this candle close first, then use the Fibonacci tool again. Now once this candle is closed, exactly from the low to high of this candle, the entry can be right here at the 50% of this candle. So once we had a pullback of 50%, we have a limit order right here, buy limit order, and then we can go 1 ATR for a target. Not a very big target, only 1 ATR for the initial target. Then if you want to manage it, you can manage it further 1 ATR or wherever you want to take it. If the price break and close above 50 EMA, then we have a very good chance that price will keep on pushing higher till we hit the termination zone right here. So let's quickly see how we took this entry so that you understand exactly what I mean right here. And we had exact same condition, and we're going to enter exactly the way we entered this trade. I was paying attention for my buy trades. Now looking at this good bullish candle, it is already a momentum candle, so I won't be entering at the close of this candle. So the way I would enter this trade, if you want to, let's do on Ovanda here, because we have a good engulfer from the low of this candle, from the wick till the wick right up there. Now at this point, if you want to enter this trade, the 50% retracement can be your entry right here, and targets can be 1 ATR only. 1 ATR is enough to hit my targets. Nice one. So that is what I'm looking at. Price can still push up from here, and we did not break and close below this area of value. Sell only once the price completely broke and closed below this zone, and then we start to use this zone as our selling area and keep on taking shots until the price hit the next zone below. So for now, I'm just looking for a little scalp of buy, and I want to see if the price break and close above the 50 EMA. If we have that, then I'll start to look for another buy condition with a pullback followed by bullish engulfers, and keep on taking long until we get conditions and until the price hit the zone right here. So keep an eye here for your conditions. Here on capital.com, I'm not looking here much because I'm still using the Ovanda charts, but here I just want to show you that if the price close above 50 EMA, I want to see one more green candle followed by pullback. We need to see a pullback followed by bullish engulfer and keep on taking longs on this platform. So that's what I'm looking at. Once the price broke above with 2 candles, the conditions here will be the pullback and bullish engulfer till the price hit the zone above right here, which I'm going to mention in my weekend's video what to expect after today's move. Next one, we have gold. So gold is now pushing lower and nicely heading lower. At this point, I'm still expecting a price to head lower and hit the zone below, which is right here 1907.07. that goes down to 1889.65. Once the price hit my zone, then I'll start to look for my buy condition like bullish engulfers, double bottoms, or my 382 candles. Once the price hit the zone, I'll start to look for my buy trade. For now, I'm still expecting a price to head lower, and if we have a hit of 50 EMA and we get a bearish engulfing pattern, we have a sell signal, and I'm still gonna take my sell trades using 180R for my target. Now, if the current candle right here closed as a bearish engulfer, which is not likely, but if closed as a bearish engulfer in next 20 minutes, then we have a sell signal and the price will head lower. Targets will be 180R, which is $5, and $5 will be your stop loss exactly. Next one, we have silver. Silver is now pushing lower as well, exactly as gold, and the next zone to enter your buy trades is right below, which is 22.58. that goes down to 22.03, from where we look for buy conditions, bullish engulfers, double bottom, 382 candles, all these conditions for buy trades. For now, we can get a likely pullback, 50% retracement, and then we can get another bearish condition, bearish engulfer. For aggressive traders, 50% retracement will be your sell limit order, and targets will be 1.618 retracement if we have a hit of 50% retracement. For now, for less aggressive traders, all I want to see few green candles followed by bearish engulfers, and keep on taking shots until we hit the zone below, which I've just mentioned. Last one, we have crude oil. Crude oil is now in a process of a pullback. We already have this bullish engulfing pattern that is also a valid condition, and price can likely head higher, which is 89.53. that goes up to 90.39, from where I'll start to look for my sell condition with bearish engulfers or my double top entry condition. For now, we can hit 20 EMA followed by bullish engulfer again, or we can get a fall to 50 EMA with bullish condition, exactly something like this. If we have that, we are good to go long. If the price will not react from this candle, then we can get another condition at 50 EMA, and then we can take another long till the price hit the zone above. Sell only once the price completely break and close below 50 EMA, only then I'll start to look for my sell condition. For now, I'm still bullish for crude oil until the price is above the both EMAs, or until the price hit my zone in green, and if we have a condition in this area, which I'm going to mention in my weekend's video. For now, I'm still looking for buy trades with conditions only, and the next zone to enter your sell trades is right here, which is a minor zone, not a major zone, from where I'm expecting some pullback, and then price can likely head higher. So that's it for commodities, guys. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM in Instagram. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Have an awesome weekend. Take care.